It's Saturday, March something, and I'm chilling with my animals. You can see Maya in the reflection over there, and I am sitting in a chair outside the yoga studio because it is thundering. Listen, when I tell you I love the rain, I love thunder, I love lightning. Whew, no other words. Anyway, we're supposed to leave the house so Micah can get a haircut. I don't think we're gonna make it. I've been telling him I want him to learn how to do it himself. So I think I'm gonna take the clippers out because I don't want to go anywhere in this weather. I just want to sit right here and enjoy it. There are my animals. There's Maya. Toast is over there. Cat is grooming herself, and I love how she's like massaging her fur as she's grooming. Cats are very interesting. Never had one before. Look, this paw is busy, and this one's coming with the fur this way, and I have no idea what she's doing. Anyway, I'm taking a chill pill, even though I have a lot to do. But what's new? I'm just gonna sit here and relax with my animals. Hi, Mommy. Yeah. What's up, little rascal? Come. She's super busy. They actually got spayed, so her scar might be a little itchy. Let me see if I can get other cat. I just call them cat. Actually, her name is Storm, so it's very appropriate. And the other one is named Sand, so Sand and Storm. Sandstorm. They're so cute. Oh, she's the cuddle one though. The other one's cuddly, but a little more independent. And they are totally exploring their area out here. I actually got them for hacienda, but I'm letting them hang out here until they get a little bigger. Because there's a lot of land over there, even though they would be great. Hi. There's other cat. Hi, Sandy. Hi, kitty pie. Hi, Mama. Hi. Maya, leave the food. Maya, leave it. Maya, of course, comes and tells, come here, leave it. They start eating their food when they're on this side. Come here, Mama. Come. No. My dog, she doesn't care about anything you say. Come here. No, don't eat that. Rascal. There she goes. She's going right back to it. Maya. Might as well be talking to myself or a wall. All right. Enough of the animal moments. Yeah. Still grooming. Still chewing on a bone. Toasty. Toast. He's the better dog. Come here. Come here. He's like, no, she's going to take my bone. Toast. No way. I'm protecting. Come here. Oh. He's like, wait a minute. No. He's like, what am I missing? Anyway, peace out.